Hey Cutler Realtors, join us for our new series called Fall into Success. And it actually starts this Thursday, October 1st at 10 a.m. It will be featured on Zoom. It's in your Google calendars, it's emailed to you, it's in chat, so check it out. This Thursday, October 1st at 10 a.m. The very first one is the 14 steps to get your listings, the appraisals that they deserve. So it goes over strategies like when you list the property, what should you do to make sure it gets the appraisal it deserves? When multiple offers come flying in, what should you do? Upon pending, when contacted by the appraiser to set the appointment, condensed fact sheets on multiple offers so you can better present the offers. Multiple offers Excel spreadsheets so you can also very easily lay things out for them. Comparable properties and information on the multiple offers as soon as possible to the appraiser before they appraise the home. We're going to be going over all these logistics of how you can really crush it and get the very best price for your listings, okay? So we'll see you Thursday, October 1st at 10 a.m.